Top 3 mistakes people make in AutoCAD, and how to correct it. First one, not using layers effectively. One common mistake is not organizing your drawing into layers. This can make it difficult to select and modify certain elements. To correct this, create and assign layers to different elements in your drawing and use them consistently. Second one is not using blocks and refers. Another mistake is not taking advantage of AutoCAD's block functionality. This can lead to duplicated content in your drawing and can make it harder to make global changes. To correct this, create blocks of frequently used elements and use to reference external drawings and content. Third one is not using object snaps. Object snaps are a powerful tool in AutoCAD that allow you to accurately place and align objects. Not using them can lead to misaligned or inaccurate drawings. To correct this, make sure you have object snaps turned on and use them consistently. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Quadric Info. Share and comment down your thoughts. Please suggest which video topic we should choose for next video.